Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, brick by brick, experience by experience. It's not a magical quality reserved for a select few, but a skill anyone can cultivate. Today, I'm going to show you how to develop unshakable confidence, even if you're starting from scratch. The first step to building confidence is understanding why you want it. Is it to excel in your career, improve relationships, or simply feel better about yourself? Knowing your why gives you clarity and direction. You'll find it easier to push through challenges when you have a clear purpose. Write down your reasons and revisit them whenever self-doubt creeps in. Confidence grows from success, even tiny ones. Set small, achievable goals for yourself and celebrate when you accomplish them. Whether it's speaking up in a meeting, trying a new skill, or even maintaining eye contact in a conversation, every small win adds to your foundation of confidence. Remember, small steps lead to giant leaps over time. Confidence often falters because of uncertainty. The antidote? Preparation. Whether it's practicing for a presentation, researching before a big decision, or rehearsing a tough conversation, preparation arms you with the tools you need to succeed. The more prepared you are, the less room there is for fear or doubt. Here's a truth bomb. Failure isn't the opposite of success. It's part of the journey. Every mistake is a lesson in disguise. Instead of fearing failure, embrace it as feedback. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? By shifting your mindset, you'll stop seeing failures as roadblocks and start seeing them as stepping stones to success. Your inner dialogue shapes your confidence. If you constantly criticize yourself, your confidence will erode. Flip the script. Start each day with positive affirmations. Tell yourself, I am capable, I am worthy, and I can handle whatever comes my way. Speak to yourself like you would to your best friend, with kindness and encouragement. Confidence isn't about never falling, it's about always getting back up. Life will throw challenges your way, that's inevitable, but resilience is what keeps your confidence intact. Build resilience by focusing on what you can control, staying adaptable, and maintaining a growth mindset. Resilient people don't let setbacks define them, they let them refine them. Your comfort zone is a cozy place, but nothing grows there. Confidence thrives when you challenge yourself. Start small. Maybe it's striking up a conversation with a stranger or taking on a project that intimidates you. The more you push your boundaries, the more you'll realize you're capable of far more than you thought. The people around you have a significant impact on your confidence. Surround yourself with those who uplift and inspire you. Seek mentors, supportive friends, and communities that encourage growth. Avoid naysayers who drain your energy. Remember, confidence is contagious. Being around confident people will naturally boost your own. We all have unique strengths. Instead of dwelling on what you lack, celebrate what you bring to the table. Are you creative, empathetic, or detail-oriented? Lean into your strengths and use them as a foundation for your confidence. By focusing on what makes you exceptional, you'll feel empowered to tackle any challenge. Confidence isn't a destination, it's a journey. Commit to lifelong learning and self-improvement. Read books, take courses, seek feedback, and continuously challenge yourself. As you grow, so will your confidence. The more you invest in yourself, the more unshakable your confidence will become. Confidence isn't about being perfect or fearless. It's about believing in your ability to figure things out. It's about showing up even when you're scared and trusting that you have what it takes to succeed. So, start today. Take one small step and then another. Before you know it, you'll be standing tall, radiating confidence from within.